Let's continue our exploration of sonic transformations with an interlude called Eris. Eris is a Latin form meaning both from air and from bronze. And it's fitting because the instrument before us here, although appearing deceptively simple, is made from brass and communicates its vibrations directly to the air. This instrument is normally played by striking. And the unique element of the sound of the cymbal is that, unlike in a way that's different from any other instrument, the energy passes from one pitch to another. So there's a process called nonlinear dynamics, which enables energy to pass from one mode of vibration to another, and in a very complex way, in fact, a way that exhibits chaos. So what's called the butterfly effect, so that energy will pass from one mode to another, to another, to another, so that you would have to be infinitely precise. In fact, even if you tried, you wouldn't be able to do it, to play exactly the same sound development twice. Now, the nature of this instrument can be enhanced by connecting it through an analogy to the world of electrical signals. So, an analogy connects two separate worlds, and the world of electrical vibrations and mechanical vibrations is connected by a rock, of all things, a stone that's a crystal that has what's called the piezoelectric effect. And so it will transform the vibrations of the cymbal into electrical signals, or the other way around. In this case, we'll use it to play the cymbal. So this enables the performer to play the cymbal remotely by striking the transducer, another piezo. Now, the nonlinear dynamic behavior of the cymbal can be enhanced by this external connection through a process known as feedback. So the signal is picked up from the cymbal, then amplified, and then can be played back onto it. So here, by placing the microphone, we've got a controlled kind of feedback effect. Now, the modes define what in physics we would call an n-dimensional space, a hyperspace. And that sound wanders through that hyperspace in a chaotic way, like a butterfly. And by introducing a time shift in the propagation of the signal, you can effectively actually increase the dimension of the space in which the butterfly is flying. And so you want to close your eyes and listen to the sounds of Eris, which is the butterfly flying in hyperspace.